Hi everyone, welcome back to English Step by Step. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of writing that can transform your essays, reports, and narratives: transitions and signal words. These little phrases are the glue that holds your writing together, making it clear, organized, and easy to follow. Let's start with the basics. Transitions and signal words are words or phrases that connect ideas in a piece of writing. They help: 1. Show relationships between sentences and paragraphs. 2. Clarify the sequence of events or arguments. 3. Highlight contrasts, similarities, or examples. Categories of signal words with examples. Additive, adding information. These words or phrases help add more information or ideas. Formal, moreover, furthermore, in addition, additionally. Informal, also, and plus. Examples: the experiment was successful. Moreover, it provided unexpected insights. I love hiking. Plus, it's a great way to stay fit. These indicate the order of steps or events. Formal: firstly, secondly, subsequently, thereafter, finally. Informal: first, then, next, after that, last. Examples: firstly, gather all the materials. Secondly, follow the instructions. We went to the park, then we grabbed some ice cream. Contrastive, showing contrast. These highlight differences or contradictions. Formal, however, nevertheless, on the other hand, conversely. Informal, but yet still. Examples: the results were promising, however, further research is needed. I like the movie, but the ending was disappointing. Causal, showing cause and effect. These signal reasons, results, or consequences. Formal, therefore, thus, consequently, as a result. Informal, so, because, since. Examples: the roads were icy, therefore we decided to stay home. I was late because the bus broke down. Illustrative, giving examples. These introduce examples to support a point. Formal, for instance, for example, namely, to illustrate. Informal, like, such as. Examples: several countries such as Japan and Germany have advanced technology sectors. I enjoy outdoor activities like hiking and swimming. Summative, summing up or concluding. These bring ideas to a close. Formal, in conclusion, to summarize, overall, on the whole. Informal, all in all, in short, to wrap up. Examples: in conclusion, education plays a vital role in societal development. All in all, it was a great trip. Emphatic, emphasizing a point. These draw attention to an important idea. Formal, indeed, undoubtedly, certainly, significantly. Informal, really, truly, for sure. Examples: indeed, climate change poses a serious threat to humanity. This cake is really delicious. Comparative, showing similarities. These highlight similarities between ideas. Formal, similarly, likewise, in the same way. Informal, like, just as. Similarly, the second experiment yielded consistent results. He enjoys painting, just as his brother does. Conditional, setting conditions. These introduce conditions or hypothetical scenarios. Formal, if, provided that, assuming that, unless. Informal, as long as, only if. Examples: the project will succeed provided that adequate resources are allocated. You can go to the party only if you finish your homework. A quick tip: when choosing a transition, think about the relationship between your ideas. Are you adding, contrasting, or explaining? Picking the right signal word can make all the difference in making your writing clear and professional. So, why are transitions so important? Imagine you're reading an essay that jumps from one idea to the next without any connection. It's confusing, right? Transitions. 1. Help your ideas flow smoothly. 2. Guide your reader through your argument or story. 3. Improve clarity and coherence. Here's an example of a paragraph without transitions. I enjoy reading books. I love watching movies. I spend time outdoors. Now, with transitions, I enjoy reading books because they transport me to different worlds. Moreover, I love watching movies for their visual storytelling. When I want a break from screens, I spend time outdoors. See how much smoother that is? Let's talk about some common mistakes when using transitions. 1. Overusing transitions. Don't add a transition word to every sentence. It makes your writing feel cluttered. 2. Using the wrong transition. For example, using however when you mean moreover. 3. Forgetting variety. Avoid repeating the same transitions too often. Mix it up. Now try this exercise. 1. I love coffee. I can't drink it late at night. Hint, contrast. 2. The weather was terrible. We decided to stay indoors. Share your answers in the comments. That's all for today's lesson on transitions and signal words. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more English tips and tricks. See you in the next lesson.